Imagine yourself in this Ram 2020 1500 Classic Tradesman. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are Quick Order Package 22B Tradesman included, engine 3.6L V6 24VVVT transmission, 8-speed automatic, 845 RE, Tradesman package, gross vehicle weight, 6,800 pounds, STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 845 RE, STD, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, engine, 3.6L V6 24VVVT, STD, remote keyless entry with all secure, radio, Uconnect 3.0 included, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, wheels, 17 inches x 7 aluminum and tires, P265/70R17 BSW as, STD. If you are looking